your piriformis today. So with that, you'll feel a bit of a sharp jab. If you feel burning or electricity, let me know and I'll take it out, okay? So just need a feel for bony landmarks. So your hip bone and your S1, and we go about a third in, and you should feel for that piriformis muscle about there. And then just pop that in. Not too bad?
No.
How's that feel?
It's fine.
Do you feel anything down your leg?
Not down my leg, I just feel it.
Like where it is?
Yeah, pulsating.
Yeah. Cool, not too bad. And we're just going to do the same on the other side. That was bad on that side. Same thing.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. And because you're getting some sort of irritation around the L4, L5 region, we're just going to do one along the paraspinal muscles. So here. No burning, no electricity?
No.
No. Cool. Last one. That's it. Easy?
Yeah.
Okay.